Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we're going to solve this question as way. We have x power 3 minus x squared equals to 100. Let's provide solution very quickly by copy what we have. We have x power 3 minus x squared equals to 100. So that what we have right here is x power 3 minus x squared minus 100 equals to 0. So the first thing here, the first trick that we're going to use to solve this question as we're going to find two numbers that we can add or subtract to get 100 here. That is 125 minus 25 equals to 100, so that here it will be equal to 0. We have x power 3 minus x squared minus 125, then plus here 25 will be 0, right? So at this stage we have x power 3 minus x squared, so that here we shall write this one as here 5 power 3, then plus 5 squared equals to 0. At this stage we can group like terms: x power 3 minus 5 power 3 minus x squared plus 5 squared equals to 0. So this one only can be written as x minus 5 times open bracket of x squared plus 5x plus 25 minus here we have difference of two squares of x squared minus 5 squared equals to 0. So that here this will be x minus 5 times open bracket of x squared plus 5x plus 25, then minus here we have x minus 5 times x plus 5, right? So this will be 0. And of course here we can factorize x minus 5 because it is common to get x minus 5 times open bracket of x squared plus 5x plus 25 minus here open bracket of x plus 5 close and close again equals to 0. So that this is at this stage we have x minus 5 times open bracket of x squared plus 5x, and here we have minus x plus 25, and here minus 5 close bracket equals to 0. So at this stage you can say x minus 5 will be 0, or here x squared plus 4x plus 20 will be 0. So that here at this stage we have x equals to 5, and this is x1, and we have quadratic equation of x squared plus 4x plus 20 equals to 0, and we are supposed to find a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 20, right? So x2 and 3 will be negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and this is what we have right here. We have negative 4 plus or minus square root of here 16 minus 4 times 20, that is 80 over 2, and of course this will be equal to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of here will be 64 negative over 2, and this will be negative 4 plus or minus here 8i over 2, and this will be negative 2 plus or minus here 4i. So that here x2 2 equals to negative 2 plus 4i plus x3 will be negative 2 minus 4i. And here we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given x power 3 minus x squared equals to 100, and we have given here 5 power 3 minus 5 squared equals to 100, and this is 125 minus 25 equals to 100, and this will be 100 equals to 100, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.